the stars.
Ready, I'm crawling for you, and I'm stuck in the loop. Ready, I'm crawling for you, and I'm stuck in the loop. Ready, I'm crawling for you. Don't be calling the royalty. Ready, I'm crawling for you. I know. Ready, I'm crawling for you. Don't be calling the royalty. Ready, I'm crawling for you. We were playing with fire.
We're just getting started, baby.
Everything turned to dust.
I can't control myself lately.
Got a monster inside of me. You better watch out. Give your enemies a road ahead. A full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day with the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets caught real big pissed off. Quick, and if you cross me, you might drop me.
Every day I want your touch, and every way I can't give it up. Anything just to feel the rush. This is ain't love.
And this world ain't right, I'm receptive. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
You can say that I'm nothing, but you don't know me, no you don't know me. I'll be rising above it. Can't get down on me, can't get down. You stole the thing that's from mine. Talk is cheap, so why don't we just take a stand?
My head in my hands, listen up, says my teacher. In front of the class, he says if you're not a believer, I'll you that's on you. Better shape up and pay your dues. I've loved you, that's on you.